my name is Jayapratap Singh. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use annotation config and what is the difference between annotation config and component scan. So let's get started. I'm going to create two classes. So first class name I'll give class 1. Inside JP package, okay. And now what I'll do, I will write one field same which I use in other tutorial, string string name. I will write setter method for this. I don't need getter, I just write okay, I'll use getter as well. Now I will write another class, create another class name is class 2. In this class I will pass first class as dependency, private class 1 C1, and okay, alright, getter and setter. Okay, so I have created getter and setter. Now inside my configuration file I'll write annotation config. Okay, now I will write beans. So I will write bean C1 class equals to class 1 bean id equals to C2, and the class will be class 2. That's it. And then what I have to do is I will have to write @autowired over my field, okay, just above my name field. Similarly for this dependency, class 1 dependency, I have to write autowired import it. Okay, so now I have autowired both the fields, so I don't have to write a property or constructor injection, because these fields will be automatically wired by Spring framework. So now I'll try to create the bean of class 2. So PRP get bean. Inside that I'll pass the class name class 2, and I will have to typecast it to class 2 and into a class 2 variable C2 class. Okay, just give a capital C2. I'm not following best practices, that's a very bad habit, but just for these examples I'm not following, otherwise I follow all the rules and regulation. Okay, so I have created. Now let's try to run this. there are some errors. No bean name class 2 is defined, so class 2 is not defined. It is complaining for this. So let's check why. Is it defined or class 2, class 1, class 2. Okay, okay, sorry, I need to pass id because bean name is id c1 c2. Okay, not class 2, that is class name. So now I'll try to rerun. Now it will not. Cannot find a class for bean with the c2 defined in the class path. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to mention the package name as well. So okay, jp dot here as well. I need to mention package name. So now there's no error. Okay, so let's get or set something. I'll try to get set something first, and then I'll try to capital C2 dot set C1. So for that, first I have to create C1. So see, I will create class just for the example purpose. I will create C1 capital C1 new class C1 I've created, and then I have to set the value for this. C1 dot set name. I'm setting name as what to set, annotation config demo, annotation config demo. Okay, set this value, and then I will set C1 inside 1. Okay, now C2 dot get C1. Let's try to rerun this. Okay. Yeah, now it will print the name which I mentioned. Yeah, annotation config demo. So yeah, so it is successful. Now let me explain what I did. So first I created two classes, class 1, class 2. Inside class 1 I am just writing one field, string field, for which I'm like setting value and getting value. Setter and getter method I have brought inside this, and then I brought this class 2. Inside that I'm passing class 1 dependency. So again I'm setting value for class 1 and class 2. So like instead of writing the beans and their dependency using constructor or setter, like constructor argument or property annotation, so instead